Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the 2000 lumen folding panel light. Now this is going to light up the whole area with a cool white light so you're never left in the dark. And the best part is this screws in just like a normal light bulb. So this is gonna be great for any room of the house, be it the basement, garage, and even your closet. And because the panels swivel and rotate 360 degrees, this will cover a wider area than most traditional light bulbs. Not to mention, this is ETL listed, so you know this is going to be a quality and safe product. Now these have 42 individual LED bulbs, but don't worry because these are super energy efficient, meaning no more costly electric bills. Plus, they won't get hot and they'll last up to 50,000 hours. Now just one of these can light up most rooms, but with our incredible deal, you'll be able to get one for every room of the house. So count up how many you need and grab yours today.